Veronica Vaughn is one piece of ace.
What is up, everybody? We are back for another edition of the Mrs. Awesome Adorable Animals. Do I get a bonus every time I say it right? I think I should. So, look at how cute that little otter is. Look at how cute it is. Oh, I can't stand it. Those blue eyes. And he dances around and he's just so cute. Ah! Okay, we gotta turn our volume up. I do have a little bit more than, oh, he's itching his side. Yes, his side. So we're gonna start a little bit more than usual, 174, because this is a ticket that I've been playing on since last night. Yep. That's how I roll. All right, penny denom, that's where I like it. So this game goes from 80 cents up to $4, so we're gonna go right in the middle at $2.40. See what kind of trouble we can get into.
Is that your favorite bet? Middle?
Oftentimes the middle-ish, because that way if I want to go down, I'm not at the minimum amount.
Do you know that Wild Bill frowns every time you go down? And yes, I know that sounded naughty.
It sounded very naughty. So far we just have the one animal that's adorable.
Yeah, you know what this game is, right? It's wicked game.
Obviously.
Yeah.
And a different version actually caught my eye first, but this one has a higher grand and a cuter animal. Oh, 2 out of 3 bonus wheels.
2 out of 3
is bad. It is bad. 2 out of 3 is bad. Oh, look at him dance! Oh my gosh.
That was awesome.
He ranks up there with the panda. He really does.
Wow.
He shakes his butt like the panda does. Now, is he gonna be nice to me like panda has been? So far, not so sure about this. Oh. We are here at the amazing Potawatomi in Wisconsin. They have been extremely lovely and gracious. Yeah, have a seat there. Yeah. Oh, come on. Maybe we start changing up the battle. Oh. Come on. Don't fall, man. Don't fall. Okay. Come on, we gotta... Okay. I would love to see what the bonus does. What kind of crazy things does the otter do for a bonus? 7s. So yeah, in terms of animals, I mean seashells, but those aren't animals. Just that adorable little otter up there. But sand dollars. Oh. Just varying the bad bits. Here, there. Oh, come on. Yes. Oh. He was really doing something up there to try to help us out.
Right.
Come on, little buddy. Oh, gonna make me run away. that getting filled up doesn't really mean much at all, except for him dancing. Oh. Oh. As cute as he is, I'm not feeling much love. Oh.
I think you like your panda more.
Maybe. Maybe. Yes! Don't talk bad about the panda either. Otter's like, I'll show you. Alright. Okay, come on, buddy. Come on. Oh, 40 bucks?
Not bad.
That was a $1.60 bet. A free ride. Take a free ride. Come on and take a free ride. Yeah, he's got to sit down now. He's got to take a load off.
He's like, I'm spent.
Yes! That took a lot of energy. Oh, come on. Ah.
Special today, we're in these same database.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, what is he doing? He just.
Well, that was kind of cool. Like rolled the log to see how
Right.
much. Yeah, that was awesome.
I like it. Just when I think I'm gonna walk away, he does something cool like that. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh, come on, phone it. Oh. Come on, Otter. Can we pop that? Pop like it's hot. Oh, keeping me in it. Danger zone. Danger. One more spin. All right, I'm gonna end it there because I don't want to give the cute little otter all my money. So I'm gonna walk away here, and I hope you enjoyed. Let me know, have you played this? Have you had any luck with Mr. Otter or his friends? All right, thanks for checking us out. Have a good one.